Hey guys, ID here. Welcome to the 10th episode of Design Journal. In this episode, we're going to design a hand lettered logotype. So, this is the seventh brief that was sent in to me by 30logos.com. And as you can see on your screen, it's from Justin Reed, and it's for the Austin Run, and it is an event that's happening in Austin, Texas, and it's basically a race, a marathon kind of thing to spread the awareness about autism. And so, yeah, this is the part of the brief that we can ignore, I guess. The main part is, the part where they say what they want in the logo. So they're open to any ideas. They just suggesting like you can include Texas state shape of the map, or a landmark in Austin City or whatever. And they're also open to logo type or an icon based logo. So pretty flexible on that. And with all the freedom that we have, let's get into it. So yeah, I started off by writing the name down of the company as usual. This time it was Austin Run, and I had an idea like I wanted to do a custom type, a hand letter type logo this time. But yeah, it's hard for me to do it, and so but I like doing hard things. That's what challenges are. That's how we learn. And so I thought, yeah, if every time I'm gonna make a, like a geometric logo or something that I'm comfortable with, I'm not gonna improve, right? So yeah, this is something that I do when I want to improve. I challenge myself with something, and this is hand lettered type that I'm designing right now. And so it looks very easy to do. It's something that a lot of people can do, but yeah, but it's still hard. Okay, it comes with practice, and that's what I'm trying to do. So I tried out a number of brushes. I tried out making some from using the Illustrator stock brushes and whatnot, and I found a brush pretty early on in the process because this is one of their stock calligraphic brushes that's available inside Illustrator. The main thing that's required over here is pressure sensitivity, and for that I use my Wacom tablet. It's a graphic tablet, and what it does is like you have a pen, and you can basically, if you press harder on the tablet, it registers thicker strokes, and if you are using it lightly, it's lighter strokes. So that's how, as you can see, all this type does not have the similar stroke weights, and it's because of that. And so yeah, making a type is different than making it feel good. And this is the part which takes the most time, like making the whole type feel like it's from one font. So yeah, that's why I drew these lines to help me out. Like every alphabet needs to be on the same angle, right? And so this is I kind of found it towards the very end of the process. As usual, I was. I do this stuff pretty regularly, but still, it takes quite a while to get it right. Because you just can't practice writing in a similar font and just consider it done. Because like if you're designing a logo for company A, let's say, you don't want to give the same font, like same style to company B as well. You want to give them something that's personalized for them. And so this is the part that takes time. You need to make it unique in some way. And so yeah, so Austin Word was done. And I was pretty satisfied with it. Then I thought of writing the word run as well. I thought I'd reuse a lot of the alphabets or the components of the alphabets from the word Austin, because we'd already done those characters in that. But for some reason I couldn't make the art work. I don't know, it looks okay, but it's not kind of the one thing that I wanted. And plus, if you just put these texts together, like Austin Run, it doesn't quite feel interesting to me for some reason. This looks kind of very blank, and So yeah, then I thought of changing the colors uh, just after I expand this and unite everything. So let's see, I've expanded it, and now it's time to unite it so that it's one shape instead of every alphabet being a different shape, And so yeah, now I moved. It's now a time to find a good lockup so that these two components look good together. Um, and so yeah, I was looking for some colors, and yeah, so I thought I'd use a gradient because gradients look good. I always or most of the time use flat colors, so I might give that a try as well. Because yeah, if you're trying new things, let's just go all in and try a lot of new things. Okay, and yeah, so this is basically a lot of trial and error. So like hit and trial and error. I guess yeah, you could say either way. But the main thing is like the word run doesn't quite look good, to me, and I didn't really like the idea of having the word run as well, run hand lettered. So I decided to remove it, which I will. Yeah, see, so I was trying with different fonts, and I guess it was Futura Bold Italic that I used, I guess. Yeah, it's Futura Bold Italic. Okay, and so this font feels really good. Feels right at home, and I made a good lockup with that. And so this now looks good, because it's a good balance. Like earlier, it was all of the same thing. Now it's a bit contrast and balance. And so adding the colors, that's it, done. So this is the final logo, as you can see on our screen. It's a half hand lettered logo, because yeah, doing the full one would take a lot of time, and I don't find myself that good in hand lettering as well. So yeah, so I guess the logo turned out to be pretty good. You can read it out really well, and Austin Run, I guess, yeah, it's a good job. But I really love to hear from you guys. What do you think about it? And feel free to contact me on any of my social media. I really love to have a conversation with you guys, and share it with your friends if they like watching this stuff, or you like watching this stuff. I guess I just messed it up, but yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned because more stuff is coming really soon. Okay, bye.